Good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bitcoin code a secure app for crypto trade, online trading in the buying and selling of various products and goods over the internet. Different method exist, but online cryptocurrency trading in the simplest and the most lucrative cryptocurrency is available a currency all over the world. There are more than 12 apa ini 12,000 cryptocurrencies present in the world. All these currencies are the best source of earning a lot of money through online source. The number of cryptocurrencies doubled between 2021 and 2022. In the 2021, the online trading market added roughly 1,000 new cryptocurrencies each a month. Cryptocurrency trading market price can never be constant because they fluctuate over time. Sometimes one cryptocurrency gives a lot of profit to its owner, but the next time it goes to loss. So this up and down in the price of cryptocurrency benefit one party and the loss for the other party. For this cryptocurrency exchange, you need a secure trading platform through which you can buy, sell, and invest cryptos easily. In this article, you will get complete information about the online trading of cryptocurrency with popular software. Bitcoin Code software. Bitcoin Code is a well-known online crypto trading or investment software. It is built for the exchange of different cryptocurrencies in order to make maximum profit. Bitcoin Code is an automated or intelligent trading platform. All kinds of traders or investors can exchange cryptocurrency easily on the Bitcoin Code. This software is easy to operate for novice traders also. No previous experience is needed to operate Bitcoin Code. The software has a user-friendly environment for trading. Bitcoin Core is profitable trading software with a 19% win rate. It provides the fastest verification process to all of its users. Bitcoin Core has end-to-end encrypted system in it which prevents hackers. There are so many other features present in the Bitcoin code which are beneficial for all of its users. Account creating steps on the Bitcoin code. Here are some important steps which will help you to create your own personal account for individual traders. So important features of Bitcoin codes. Free sign-up process. The Bitcoin code provides easy and cost-free sign-up to all of its users. Its account registration method is very simple and needs 20 minutes only to complete. You can register for a new account by filling out the form on the official website of the Bitcoin code. For creating your own account, you just need to give some important information about yourself, and the initial fund for the new account are also minimum. Quick verification system. When your account will be successfully registered on the official website of Bitcoin Code, then your account will be soon verified by their team. To ensure the verification of your new account, you will receive the confirmational email. If after setting up your account is still unverified, then don't start trading because verification of your account prevent your assets added from scammer or hacker. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.